And then all my hair fell off. Hello. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer O'Malley. I like to review things here on the internet to help you make sure you're not wasting your money and wasting your time. In today's video, I'm doing one of my old school I tried videos, and I'm going to try dyeing my hair with DpHue. A lot of you guys loved my overtone video that I did a year ago where I tried dyeing my hair with different colors of overtone. As you can see, my hair is multiple colors right now. I hope you can see it because I had my hair like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, and 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 this. And then all my hair fell off because I did a bleach wash where I left the bleach on for too long. That is why you don't do your own hair at home. One mistake and my hair broke off. I will insert pictures, but you can kind of see here. My hair broke off all on this side of my head, actually. So I ended up just going into the hair salon and telling the guy to chop it all off. My hair, since it was bleached so much, it will not stay brown. Like, I dye my hair box dye brown and it just doesn't stay. It fades. So I found out about something that's similar to overtone. It's called DpHue. Or is that the brand? I'll put a picture of it right here. The product is called the DpHue Gloss Treatment. So I have to correct myself. This isn't a hair dye per se. It is a gloss treatment with semi-permanent color. So it's specifically used to enhance the color that you already have, which is exactly what I wanted to do. I actually went with the color dark brown. Also, if you want a treatment without color, they do have the option of just getting the gloss treatment with no color. It cost me $35. I actually bought it through Amazon, but you can buy it through their website, Ulta, Amazon. It's amazing because it's a color enhancing treatment without ammonia, without the chemicals that ended up damaging my hair in the first place. So I'm trying to give my hair a break from the box dye and just maintain this brown in a nice, healthy way. Hopefully this works. I'll let you know if it lasts. I'll let you know how it looks. I'm gonna go through the process with you. So starting off, I have to brush through my hair. Here you can see like where the damage has been done. When I got my hair cut, I got a straight cut. All those short pieces are not layers that I willingly wanted. First off, I'm going in with my Neutrogena shampoo. It's anti-residue. This will strip off all the products that you have built up in your hair. Now that my hair is short, I use a lot of products, so I need to strip that from my scalp in order for any treatments to penetrate my hair follicles the way that I want it to. It does have sulfate, which I'm allergic to, so I only use this shampoo once every 2 weeks. Just to break down that product. First of all, you need gloves, ladies. Do not do this without gloves unless you want to have orange hands. On the instructions, it says that you have to wet your hair first, so that's why I shampooed my hair first. Now I got out of the shower with my hair wet. I'm going to apply the product all over my head generously. I want it to be a deeper brown. I'm not sure which way this brown is going to go. If it's going to go towards the red or towards the like dark black brown, because my hair does have a lot of red undertones because of the bleaching that I was doing. I'm a weirdo. Let's just this is a vibe. Let it happen. Here I'm showing you how much product I actually used, which is not a lot for my one time dyeing it. Make sure that your hair is wet and clean before you do this, because if you try to do it on dry hair, you're gonna waste a lot more product and it's not gonna work. The brown washing out of my hair, we love to see it. This is what it looked like. If you dye your hair a lot, you know that second wash is gonna be the real actual color. So I'm showing you what it looks like first wash. Guys, this is my natural hair. You know, who would have thought that she had curls? I burnt them all. You can still see how damaged my hair is, like those pieces up top that are super curly. I cry every time I see them. This is my number 2 aesthetic shower. I'm using this Miel mask to regrow my hair. It has biotin in it and I'm loving it so far. I'll show you the results in a bit, but I do have a lot of hair growth. After doing this mask, I'm letting it dry a little bit before going in with the Dyson so I can show you guys the actual true color of the gloss and what it really did to my hair and if it worked. Yes, I'm a Dyson girly. My boyfriend bought me a Dyson. I graduated with my master's last year. That's why I went AWOL. I'm so sorry. I know some of you have unfollowed me because I haven't posted in forever, but I was really busy, guys. And this is my gift. Besides, you know, getting a $30,000 degree, I got a Dyson Airwrap. So I'm doing my hair in sections. I'm not the most professional when it comes to blow drying. I did put in a heat protectant from Monat beforehand. Don't judge me. It's the only one that I have, and I kind of like it. it makes my hair soft. And before you say that it's because of the Monat that my hair is falling out, I've been using Monat way before my hair fell out. Here you can see how broken my hair is. Like, even though it looks cute, I look fabulous, you can see the damage. It hurts my eyes, really, truly. And here I'm showing you the true color of what it came out to. I love it. This is with natural sunlight. It looks like a dark brown. I love it. But look at all the damage and all my little hairs that are growing back. The mask is working because look at all those hairs that are growing back. But I look crazy. Like I'm constantly under static. Editing Jenny here. It's June 9th. And look, it hasn't washed out that much. You can see my little pieces here even better. Look at this damage. Those are not layers. It's literally straight up just broken. My hair's still kind of dark. It doesn't look as light as it did in the bottom, like in the beginning of this video. You kind of see where the line separates. Like here is where my bleached areas are, so it is kind of separating a little bit. But my hair, I will say, my hair is a lot softer, a lot shinier, easier to brush. Before using the gloss treatment, I couldn't brush my hair without like getting stuck towards the bottom, even with having my hair short, which is really bad. You ain't gotta tell me twice. I know it's bad. We're working on it. Almost a full month and the treatment has lasted. I plan on doing it again soon. I don't want to waste it too much. So while the color's still there, you know, it's summer. The color's gonna fall out anyway in the summer with going to the pool and the beach and stuff. I'm gonna wait a little bit before I do the treatment again. I will say I absolutely love it. I think that it's an amazing product. For what it's worth, $35. It's lasting me a long time. I don't know about someone with longer hair. Also highly recommend that mask, the meal mask that I showed you guys. Like, look at all my growth. My little hairs are not all sticking up anymore and it's been a month. If you guys like this video and you want me to try more things, just let me know what you think that I should try in the comments. Go back to my old YouTube style video of trying things. Thank you guys for watching. Stay beautiful. I love you. Peace.
She's a Mona Lisa.